We will start with the third chapter. The name of the third chapter, Unit 3, Sequential Logical Circuit. In the combination logical circuit, we can see that the combination circuit does not store the present output or a present input. That is not about the sequential logical circuit because the sequential circuit is dependent upon the timing. So they can be stored the present input, and the previous output in the equations. So now we can see that the sequential logical circuit. So here you can see that the sequential logical circuit block diagram. You can see that in the sequential logical circuit, you have a one input, then the combination logical circuit is connected, and then you have a output. So the in the sequential logical circuit we have a memory. The memory is because you want to store the previous output also, and what are you are giving the present input. In the combination logical circuit you don't have the memory because we do not store the previous output or the previous input. But in the sequential circuit we can see that the output of the sequential circuit depends on the present time input, the previous output, that means the past, and the sequence in which the inputs are applied. In order to provide the previous input or output, a memory element is required to be used. क्योंकि हम लोग को वहाँ पे डेटा प्रीवियस डेटा स्टोर करना है, so that's why we required a memory. So in that we can see that the present state of a sequential circuit. The data is stored by memory element at given instant of a time is called as a present state. You can see that here in the diagram there is a previous state, there is a present state and the positive feedback, and after that the one clock signal is generated. So it is denoted by Qn plus 1. Then there is a next state. The combination circuit, next state, that means your output, or you can say that the present state means your present thing, and the previous, that means your previous output, that you can be stored in the memory. Then there is a next state. What is the next state? The combination circuit operates on the external input and the present state to produce the new output. So the basically present state can be produce the output, the new output. Some of those new outputs are stored in the memory element and called as the, जो भी आपका आउटपुट प्रेजेंट स्टेट का आउटपुट जो भी आप में मेमोरी में सेव होगा, we can call as the next state of the sequential circuit. So we can denote it by the Qn plus 1. प्रेजेंट स्टेट जो आपका होगा, मतलब उस टाइम पे जो आपका एग्जीक्यूशन होगा, उसे आप लोग Qn कहोगे, एंड देन आपका जो नया आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस होने वाला है उसे आप लोग Qn plus 1 कहोगे. Okay, so the memory element, the memory is called as a flip-flop. It is a basic memory element. So you can see that here is the input, you get the output, previous state का input दिया जाएगा, then you will get a positive feedback and you can given the clock signal also. So this is a combinational. आपने कुछ तो input दिया आपने 1 1, so you will get something output. तो अभी आपका आउटपुट मिलने के बाद जो आपका प्रीवियस आउटपुट था वो आपका वहां पे ही स्टोर्ड रहेगा. तो उसके लिए आपका प्रीवियस स्टेट का आउटपुट एक मेमोरी में स्टोर्ड रहेगा. फिर जो भी प्रीवियस स्टेट का इनपुट है वो आपको फिर से लगने वाला है. देन यू विल गेट द आउटपुट एट, सो यू विल गेट अ पॉजिटिव फीडबैक. सो दैट पर्पज यू हैव टू ऐड द क्लॉक सिग्नल. सो दिस इज द ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ अ सिक्वेंशियल लॉजिकल सर्किट. नाउ वी कैन सी दैट the sequential logical circuits are able to take into account their previous input state as well as those actually present. A sort of before and after effect is involved with the sequential circuit. The second point is that the output state of a sequential logical circuit, as we can see that in the combination circuit we cannot store the previous input, but in the sequential logical circuit we can store the present input, past input and past output. So these are the important point. That's why we required a memory. In the combination circuit we don't require memory because we cannot store the past output. Okay. Next is here the sequential logical circuit remember this condition and stay fixed in their current state. until the next clock signal changes one of the state, giving sequential logical circuit memory. Last is here, the word sequential means. What is the sequence? What is the sequential? The sequential means the sequence of the one after another. Sequence का मतलब क्या है? Combination का मतलब क्या है? ये combination के बाद you have to try the another combination. मतलब आपको previous state रखने की जरूरत नहीं. अभी sequential का मतलब है there is a sequence. So you have to follow the sequence. तो sequence follow करने के लिए we require some previous data also. So that's why it is called as a sequence one after another. So it is called as a sequential logical circuit. इसे sequential logical circuit क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई तो सीक्वेंस है, हमें एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ना है, सो वी रिक्वायर्ड अ प्रीवियस स्टेप आल्सो, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ sequential logical circuit. We required an actual clock signal determines when the things will happen. The next point is that simple sequential logical circuit can be constructed from standard circuits such as we can use the flip-flop, latches and counters, and that can be used by using the NAND gates and the NOR gates. So these are the main, that is what are your flip-flop, latches and counters. So we will move to the next thing. So basic structure of a synchronous sequential circuit is shown here. अभी सिंक्रोनस स्ट्रक्चर का बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, सिक्वेंशियल सर्किट का बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, वी कैन सी दैट जो प्रीवियस में ही था, आपका कुछ तो इनपुट है, यू विल रिक्वायर समथिंग आउटपुट. अभी आपका प्रेजेंट इनपुट भी उसके अंदर होगा, प्रेजेंट आउटपुट भी उसके अंदर होगा और प्रीवियस इनपुट भी होगा. ऑब्वियसली प्रीवियस आउटपुट अभी स्टोर नहीं होगा, वो बाद में होगा. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर यू कैन सी इन द फर्स्ट स्लाइड ऑल्सो. सो व्हाट इज द सिंक्रोनस? One input is a clock and on the clock the next state becomes the present state of the system. अभी एक इनपुट आपके क्लॉक के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, देन आपको जब भी क्लॉक का स्टेट चेंज होगा देन आपका प्रेजेंट स्टेट वो सिस्टम में चला जाएगा. ओके, क्लॉक बैठेगा कि ये स्टेट यहाँ तक हो रहा है, ये स्टेट करने के लिए इतना टाइम है, वो टाइम खत्म होने के बाद दे विल सेंड टू द नेक्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट. सो दैट इज अ रिक्वेस्ट एंड रिस्पॉन्ड वाला मेथड. नेक्स्ट इज योर सिक्वेंशियल. The sequential means the circuit transition between state in a regular manner, in a sequence manner. Next is your input. What is the input? Obviously, आप कुछ तो input दे रहे हो. You are giving the some input and you will get a something output. All the outside logic signal input to the circuit. The clock is not considered a part of the signal input of the circuit. क्लॉक इज नॉट अ सर्किट. जो भी आपका आउटपुट लॉजिकल सिग्नल है जो आउटसाइड से आ रहा है, जो आप लोग दे रहे हो, दैट इज योर इनपुट. एंड व्हाट इज द आउटपुट? दो आपका जनरेट होने वाला है, दैट इज अ लॉजिक सिग्नल आउटपुट. यू कैन जनरेट, यू विल गेट अ लॉजिक सिग्नल आउटपुट. व्हाट इज द प्रेजेंट स्टेट? द लॉजिक वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल द स्टेट वेरिएबल ऑफ द सिस्टम. दीज आर स्टोर्ड इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेट मेमोरी. एंड व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेट? Given the present state and the current values on the input. Suppose present state मतलब क्या? आपने suppose कुछ तो value दिया. Suppose your value is like 1 plus 0. So you will get a answer 1. So that 1 is stored in your memory. So what is the next state? Next state means suppose 1 plus 0 is 1. Then you will get an answer as a 1. So in that you can add a 0. Then again you will get an answer 1. So you have to add in the current value, you have to add a new value that is called as the next state. The next state represented the next logic state. The circuit will transition to the next clock. अब next clock है, obviously हमें फिर से clock set करना पड़ेगा. So that is called as a next state. What is a synchronous versus asynchronous? What is a synchronous and asynchronous in a sequential circuit? Synchronous sequential circuit. Circuit output changes only at some discrete instant of a time. This type of circuit are called as a clock. Okay, the circuit output changes only at some discrete instant of a time. Then the asynchronous means it is a clock. It can be changed at any time. Okay. So synchronous में क्या? आपने क्लॉक दिया है, आपने टाइम दिया है, उसी टाइम पे वो चेंज होगा. asynchronous मीन्स क्या? द सर्किट आउटपुट कैन चेंज एनी टाइम. वो किसी भी टाइम पे क्लॉकलेस है, उसे क्लॉक है नहीं है कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. दैट इज योर कॉल्ड एज अ asynchronous sequential circuit. So that is your synchronous and asynchronous sequential circuits. So you can see that the Circuit output changes only at some discrete instant of a time. This type of circuit achieves synchronization by using a timing signal called a clock. Second is your asynchronous sequential circuit. Circuit output can change at any time. That means it is a clockless. वो कभी भी change हो सकता है. That's why it is called as a asynchronous sequential circuit. Next is your what is a clock signal. So you require a clock. You can see there is a diagram. There is a trigger. There is a trigger. When there is a square, you can see that the every sequential signal we have this timing signal apply as an input signal. Okay, that is apply as an. You can see that there is a rectangular signal. वो high जा रहा है. Then again it's law falling the edge, leading the edge, falling the edge. That means ऐसे ही होगा, time जाएगा, बड़ा हो जाएगा, फिर low हो जाएगा, one time cycle है. So what is the clock signal? Clock is a rectangular signal with a duty cycle equal to 50%. That means its on time is equal to off time. So this is a calculation you need not understand the logic, but basically on time is equal to your off time. The clock signal repeat itself after every t second. आफ्टर एवरी सेकेंड्स, मतलब वो हाई हो रहा है, लीडिंग एज हो रहा है उसका, फॉलोइंग एज भी हो रहा है. ओके, द क्लॉक सिग्नल रिपीट इटसेल्फ आफ्टर एवरी टी सेकेंड्स. ओके, टाइमिंग होने के बाद रिपीट कितने बार? आफ्टर टी सेकेंड के बाद, टाइमिंग के बाद वो क्या होगा? रिपीट होगा. हेंस द क्लॉक फ्रीक्वेंसी इज एफ इक्वल्स टू 1/t. Flip-flop respond to the edges of the clock or maybe respond to the high or low level of the clock signal. So this is your clock signal. Basically clock signal क्या करेगा? वो कभी high जाएगा, कभी low जाएगा, कभी आपका, और जो timing है that can be repeat after every t seconds. So that's why it is called as a clock signal. And the clock signal is really very important in a sequential logical circuit. Next is your flip-flop. So what is a flip-flop? I will tell you in the next slide.